Hey, Jonathan here with CentralSound. I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pad cushions on your Beats Studio Pro 2023 version. Very simple to remove and replace the old ones. Here we have our own CentralSound set of replacement ear pads, which are very comparable to stock. Very good materials, very comfortable, easy to install. And I'm going to show you how to install these. It includes the adhesive and then also a tool that you would need to remove the old ear pad. So the old ear pads are stuck with adhesive, and that's why the tool is important. It's to help remove the old ear pad. So here there's an indentation on this right ear pad, which is there for the charge port. And the left one doesn't have that, so you want to make sure you're installing the correct ear pad on the correct side. So this is the tool here, and you want to insert this right in between the ear pad and the plastic ear cup, and you want to apply some pressure in there, loosen up that adhesive, and work your way all the way around. And once it has become loosened quite a bit, you could remove it with your hands. Um, and you could see here that the adhesive is black, and you can just peel some of that off with your fingers. Here I'm just using my fingers, and it comes off pretty easily. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We have our replacement ear pad, and here is the adhesive that's needed to attach these ear pads. So you want to use the correct adhesive side. So this is the right side for the right charge port. It has the indentation there. And remove this center part, because we don't need that piece. So remove that first. And this is two-sided. It's kind of like two-sided tape. So once again, we're going to use the correct side, which is the one with the indentation for the charge port. And we're going to line it up like this. You can see the holes line up from the ear pad and then also through the adhesive. Now I'm going to remove the backing from this side first. And there's a little tab that you can tear just like this. And then you could remove the one side of the backing. Now be careful not to remove the other side, just the brown side first. Now you can see there's some pieces still stuck on that hole, and that's okay. Now we're going to flip it over and then line up these holes to the holes in the ear pad. We're going to place them right over it. And that's all right. It doesn't have to be exact 100% perfect. Line them up the best that you can, and then apply some pressure all the way around. And you'll see the one side is becoming stuck to it. You'll see through it that is getting stuck on there, so that's good. And then just apply some pressure, rub it on there, and then once it is firmly stuck onto the ear pad, then you could remove the other side of the backing. And as you can see here, the holes aren't lined up exactly perfect, but that's okay. All you need to do is just poke through them a little bit. And here I was using the tool. It started taking a little longer, so I just grabbed a small pair of tweezers, and you can just do that. And just kind of poke through the hole a little bit, make sure it's clear. Now once everything is done on that ear pad, you can place it on the ear cup. Now there are two small plastic posts sticking out of the ear cup that align into the hole, the two holes actually. So you want to make sure that that's lined up, and then apply some pressure, and you can see here, there it goes. So there's one of the holes it went into. And then you'll see it will be flush and even when it's on there all the way. If it's not flush, then you might need to reposition it and attempt it again. And then once it is on there, you just apply pressure all the way around. And then I would say give it overnight for the adhesive to dry completely. And then that's pretty much it. And then the other side is the same process. So that's how you replace the ear pads on your Beats Studio Pro 2023 version. Thank you for watching, and if you need these ear pads, check us out at CentralSound.